Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to change the default font in Excel so your new workbooks always open with the font and size you actually prefer. To begin, look to the top left corner of your Excel window and click on File. From there, look for Options at the very bottom of that menu and click on it. A dialog box will pop up and you will see several tabs on the left side, but make sure this General tab is selected. Then look the section called When Creating New Workbooks. Inside that section, you'll see a drop-down that says Use this as the default font. Click on it and choose whichever font you prefer. For this tutorial, let me select Trebuchet font. Right below that, you will find font size option. Just set this to something comfortable. 12 is usually a solid choice for most people. Once you've made both selections, go ahead and click OK. Excel will prompt you with a small notification saying it needs to restart to apply the changes. Just click OK on that prompt, then close and open Excel again. As you can see, when Excel opens, every new workbook you create will automatically load with the font you chose, in this case, Trebuchet, size 12. And from now on, every new workbook you open will already have your font set and ready for you.